Imagine a land where the sun kisses the sea, where history and culture blend seamlessly into the vibrant energy of the present. Welcome to Cyprus. This Mediterranean gem is a captivating blend of scenic beauty, rich history, and diverse culture. In the coming moments, we'll traverse the picturesque cities of Paphos, Limassol, Larnaca, and Ayia Napa, scale the majestic Troodos Mountains, and explore the heart of the island, Nicosia. Pack your bags and prepare for an unforgettable journey through the heart of the Mediterranean. It's time to embark on a journey through time in Paphos, a city that whispers tales of ancient civilizations. Paphos, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is steeped in history. Here, you'll find archaeological wonders that transport you back to the times of myth and legend. Explore the ancient ruins, marvel at the intricate mosaics, and soak in the ambience of the picturesque harbor, a perfect blend of antiquity and charm. A visit to Paphos is like stepping into a time machine, where each corner unveils a new chapter of history. From the echoes of the past, we move to the bustling cities of Limassol and Larnaca, pulsating with life and energy. Limassol, a cosmopolitan jewel, is a city that never sleeps. As day gives way to night, the city's vibrant nightlife comes alive, with music and laughter filling the air. The city also boasts stunning beaches where the azure waters of the Mediterranean beckon you for a refreshing dip. Let's now journey to Larnaca, a city that gracefully balances the hustle and bustle of city life with its serene seafront. The picturesque promenade is a sight to behold, with the palm-lined seafront offering a tranquil escape. And not to be missed is the serene Salt Lake, a spectacle of nature that offers a peaceful retreat from the city's dynamism. Limassol and Larnaca offer a perfect blend of city life and coastal charm, ensuring an experience you cannot forget. Now, let's switch gears and dive into adventure in Ayia Napa and the Troodos Mountains. Ayia Napa, renowned for its crystal-clear waters, offers a thrilling array of water sports. Imagine the rush of adrenaline as you ride the waves on a jet ski, or the sense of freedom as you explore the underwater world through scuba diving. The excitement doesn't end here. From the sea to the mountains, we journey to the Troodos Mountains. Here, the air is crisp, the views are breathtaking, and the hiking trails are simply irresistible. Conquer the trails and be rewarded with panoramic views that are nothing short of spectacular. Along the way, you might even stumble upon hidden waterfalls and ancient monasteries, adding a touch of mystery to your adventure. Whether you're a thrill seeker or a nature lover, Ayia Napa and the Troodos Mountains have something for everyone. So, are you ready to embark on this unforgettable adventure? Finally, we arrive at the heart of Cyprus, Nicosia, a city that beautifully encapsulates the spirit of this enchanting island. Nicosia's grandeur lies in its rich history, preserved in every corner and narrated through its ancient walls and time-worn streets. But don't be fooled. Nicosia is far from being stuck in the past. Its bustling markets are a symphony of sights, sounds, and scents, and its vibrant art scene is a testament to the city's continuous evolution. Nicosia, with its blend of old and new, perfectly embodies the soul of Cyprus, making it a fitting finale to our journey. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of Cyprus, a land of endless possibilities. From the ancient allure of Paphos, the vibrant energy of Limassol and Larnaca, to the adventurous Ayia Napa and Troodos Mountains, and finally the heart of Cyprus, Nicosia. This Mediterranean gem truly offers a diverse array of experiences, each one unique and unforgettable. If you enjoyed this journey and want to discover more amazing destinations, subscribe to our channel. We promise to keep bringing you the best of travel just for your pleasure.